Sunday, 15th of March 2026. Which Budgie said 43. Please do like, share, subscribe. I've just changed the water for them, brought the jug, filled it up. So the weather is a horrible, horrible, rainy, cold, windy day in southern England. But the birds have all just suddenly become very excited with the fresh water and the jug. So do love going into it, guys. It's love having a good old water. I don't even spin it yet. Right, guys. Hello, my babies. I just want to get nice and clean. Refreshing. Yeah. Look at this, here's Thumper's baby. Thumper and Flair's little one. Look at that, all feathered. Gonna be fledging soon, aren't you, my darling? You've got a few more days. Right, being a baby, and then you're gonna be a fledgling very soon. There's our little baby. Just gonna try out a bit. Okay, just for a little bit of an investigation. See what you like if you can start.